virus in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck. Cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel?
I think I'm on right now. Black people never on time for real. Cute. Okay.
No, because I don't know what's going on. I ain't got no more.
Are y'all ready?
Let me know what I'm doing. Come on, video, man. Yeah. Damn. She on the. Oh my God! Good family. We finna take this nice ass shot right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta help us, man. Y'all gotta help us with this shot right here. Baby.
They all in the camera, bro. Drink your ass. Wait, close the door next. We gonna take the shot to a good time, good vibes, good energy, into a drunk ass night. Period. Hello.
I thought it was Wait, what liquor?
You know where the liquor is?
Right back here.
She's not holding shots, so you know that this bad. Watch her blow, now she gets away. Every time, when she gets away.
I'll be there. Good dick till I come. Again, where's your tongue? You can go another round and we ain't done. It's okay though. We over here with it. I don't have an ex. I talk like for every time I could boy.
Come on now.
We can just jump in the water.
I'm just saying that. But I'm just letting you know that they say we can't get on jet skis for the simple fact that the Coast Guards and all that don't allow it after 7 p.m.
That's real.
That's not underwater?
That shit flip for real. You see that shit?
But it's okay.
It's all good. Somebody got.
Shout out. No, Jason. Give me the shot. Give me the shot. She's so full of shit. Right. She's so full of shit. She's so full of y'all. Hurry up. She's supposed to use that cup. Maya, you about to take one too. My cup's full. That's a shot? That's no shot. Come on, then, hurry, call it. You standing over this man? You want a shot? Yeah, shot it up. Shot it up. You have a cup? Bro, can I see? Maya, we out. You too. I'm going to the waterman. Y'all can go to the waterman?
I already took y'all shot.
Hell yeah.
I'm behind.
Catch up, boo.
I ain't right here.
Bro,
I can't believe y'all ate all them sandwiches like that.
Nate had put his hand like this. He okay, right there.
They big back now. Somebody tell me.
Okay, we'll say run it in.
Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like a Greco. Never got touched, but a piece stay smashed. R.I.P. I'm a nigga first when I'm the catch. Fuck is 100 bands. You fuck like 100 niggas, ain't got one man. Ain't done shit. Drop the 100 on a penny. That shit. They can't stand to see me winning, so they blame payola. Big stone, big choker.
Well, save it then. This shit is big.
What's the real? That's some real shit.
I need to eat.
Oh, yo, nigga. Hey, y'all hear that fucking beeping?
I look 2 hours away, they're all gone.
Yo, y'all hear that beeping?
She saying she don't got a nigga.
You heard him?
Y'all hear her?
What the fuck is the beeping, bro? Y'all making a handshake. Y'all hear beeping?
I heard that beat.
I'm talking about the last time we saw her.
Mike saying her, you know my name. I know your name don't play this.
Why you really shooting my shit though? But like,
Come back now.
I'm glad. I'm glad.
I swear. Hey, Quavo, boy. The boat just moved, boy. I thought I was fucked up, boy.
Nigga said he thought he was fucked up. Oh, did you spit this shit right now? This shit right now. Hey, man, hey, keep this shit still.
Hey, man, are you popping it real quick?
8:39. I dropped my bag of food on the floor.
I was still thugging. She ain't let me so much on me. We went like it's time.
It's my vlog. Follow my cousin. Alright, let's start. Maya, you started off.
I want to start. Go ahead. Now, why you want to go to the bathroom?
Okay,
That's for you next time, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday to you. Hey. Happy birthday, dear Samantha.
Happy birthday to you. I want to say to you.
This is ghetto version.
I want to say happy birthday to you.
Soon as
Another time.
are you It was all for you.
My bad.
That's y'all be careful. Don't
Yeah, don't touch
So
it.
he didn't sign everything. So he's trying
It's only fucked up because she right. And she didn't know that.
Oh, so you're. Do you? I don't know if he do.
Let me see you dance. Oh,
Hey y'all.
Hey, get your ass. Hey, get your ass up. Get your ass up.
Hey, get your ass up. Finger not even moving.
Can we do the dance? We gotta do it. Yes.
Who gonna leave? Who gonna leave? Hey, you gonna leave?
Me and my sister. It's 10 o'clock, right?
Yes, 10. It's 20. Look at this. Look at this. What is going?
Is that my phone? That sounds like my phone.
Hey, Molly, leaving. Yeah. Hey. Y'all money. I'm not gonna lie. We gotta do it, bruh. Y'all killing it.
Hey, Maya.